Hello everyone, welcome again in Eng-Man YouTube channel. So in this video, we will continue our learning on CO2 sequestration modeling using CMG software. Alright, so now we will check the result for mineralization. In the previous video, we have completed, the running of the code of the script for the mineralization case. Now let's check the result. Okay, we can check the profile, the mineral concentration over time, something like that. But we can also check the grid result. In this video, we will focus only on the grid result. Okay, so I'm going to, yeah, this is by the way my file, type SR3. So now let's go to reservoir. As usual, we will go to IK2D view. And of course, we will go to display. Open the drop-down menu. You can first start with, of course, as usual, pressure, the reservoir pressure. Okay, so let's play. Okay, by the way, we move by month. You see October, November, and so on and so forth. So I think we are quite familiar with the setup. So let's go to the end of the time step. So this is the case for the pressure, where we include the mineralization. And then we are also concentrated on, or we are also, interested in, let's say maybe water mole fraction of CO2. You see, interesting. So we have CO2 at the top, but because of the density, the brine with dissolved CO2 will be heavier than the normal brine, the in situ brine. So that's why we have, brine falling down there. And of course, because the brine with CO2 dissolved is heavier than the original brine, then you will have the profile like this. More and more accumulation of CO2 dissolved brine at the bottom of the reservoir. And similar thing, we can also check for water mass density, right? You see, blue has, greater, higher density than the green. So that's why you have the profile like this. And as you can see, or maybe we can also check the saturation first, this one, all right? And because this is mineralization case, now we have cation, all right, for the Al3 plus, and then we also have Ca2 plus. Of course, I'm not going to, explain everything here. For CO2, molality for CO2, we also have that parameter, in this case, CO2 or CO3 2 minus, and so on and so forth. And because we involve mineralization, we have reaction, we have mineral reaction, we also have mineral like anorthite. Okay, you see the number is negative. Okay, so anorthite will be consumed. And we also have calcite there. All right. And colonite, okay, will be produced here. All right, and maybe what else we are going to check? Gas mole fraction. Although we have, CO2 in supercritical phase, it is still considered as gaseous phase. All right, so I think that's pretty much all. So in this video, we only focus on checking the result in terms of the grid. So the grid results like, mineral distribution and then molality and then of course gas saturation, mole fraction of CO2, mass density, water mass density, and so on and so forth. Okay, so we will stop it here, stop the video here. In the next video, we will check the profile where we have, mineralization in our CO2 sequestration. Okay, until then, see you and thank you.